On the 22nd day, we evaluate our performance so far for the past 3 weeks of raising these broilers. So in this farm diary session, I'm going to be sharing how we do that in our farm. Probably you might learn 1 or 2 things you can apply in your farm, and the video is starting right now. I want to give a special viewer shout out to Trishinah. She said thanks for sharing. Trishinah, we are glad you watch our content. We are glad you leave a comment in our video, and we are also glad in sharing our farm diary sessions with you. So this viewer shout out goes to you, Trishinah. The first thing we do on the 22nd day to evaluate our performance for the past 21 days is to weigh the birds. Now on the average, a healthy broiler is meant to be weighing around 943 grams. And upon weighing ours, we were getting 960 grams, which was absolutely awesome. The next thing we do on the 22nd day as well in the morning is also to calculate how many bags of feed we are expected to give to our broilers. And also on the average, a healthy broiler for the 4th week is meant to consume around 945 grams of feed. So calculating that with the number of birds we have over here, which is 267 left, we say 945 grams times the total number to give you how many grams, the cumulative grams all the birds are meant to consume. Now, depending on where you are viewing this from, for us over here, the standard measurement of a bag of feed over here is always 25 kg. So whatever you get, you divide it by 25 kg, 25,000, which is the kg, to get exactly how many bags you are meant to give your broilers on the 4th week. For us over here is 10 bags. After that, the next thing we do is to discard the previous day's plain water and then give them multivitamin in their water. You know, we vaccinated them on the 21st day, so multivitamin always comes a day before vaccination and a day after vaccination. Then we shared feed to the broilers. Then another thing we did on the 22nd day was to pack some of the wood shaving that we are kind of messed up in patches. We packed them out, removed them, and also replaced them. After that, we then did the normal farm activities for broilers, come in on intervals to check on the broilers and do few adjustments like adding feed when necessary. That's basically what we did over here on the 22nd day. How do you run your broiler farm on the 22nd day? Feel free to share with us in the comment section. If you have any question, drop it there as well. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel, and then see you tomorrow on the 23rd day.